In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to pay with PayPal on Ticketmaster. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is navigate to the official website of Ticketmaster. Make sure you are already logged in. Now click on the option My Account. Head over to the option My Profile. Click on Billing Information. Next, look for the option labeled Save New Payment Method. This is where you can add cards and digital wallets. Click on it and select PayPal from the list of available payment options. You may be redirected to a secure PayPal login page, so make sure pop-ups are enabled if nothing appears. Sign in to your PayPal account, choose your preferred funding source if prompted, and approve the connection between PayPal and Ticketmaster. After that, you may be asked to enter a verification code as a security step. This code could be sent via email, SMS, or your PayPal authentication app depending on your settings. Enter the code carefully and complete the verification process. Once finished, PayPal will be successfully linked and shown in your saved payment methods within your Ticketmaster account. If available, you can also set it as your default payment method for quicker checkout in the future. And that's it. You have successfully added PayPal to your Ticketmaster account. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.